Hello, hello, hello everybody. I have another haul for you and I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. So Christmas is right around the corner and let's think about kids. Let's think about things we can give the kids for Christmas. So why don't you guys follow me for my Temu haul where I show you guys items that I'm getting my kids. Welcome back. It is time for a Temu haul. If you guys are loving it, if you love my hauls, I definitely recommend checking out Temu. Temu is an awesome website and an app. Definitely check out the app if you guys are interested. They actually have a great deal that you guys can do when you download the app. You're going to use the code DKJ5682 and what you do is I'll have the link below or you can just claim it when you download the app. But what you're going to do is you'll actually have a $100 coupon bundle. There's a bunch of stuff in there that you guys can all get for just $100. Now, it's not a coupon code, but it is a $100 bundle. It is random for everybody, but you can save some really good money with that $100 coupon bundle. But one thing I absolutely love is the app is you can check out reviews, you can write your reviews, you can play games. There's little different things here and there that you guys definitely want to check out. But let's just dig in and I can share with you guys everything that I got for the kids for the holidays. So, my last kids haul I got my son this little gaming control thing. It holds 12 games and he absolutely loves it. Well, we have a little bit more games than the 12 or was it 6 games? I think it held 6 games. But he really wanted a bigger one. So I got him this and I am pretty excited to share with this. Like he's already wants to use it already. But it is a little Nintendo Switch game holder. This thing is this is $5.99. It holds 48 games, I think. 48 games, which he does have a lot of his games already in here, but it's got a nice little like rubber feel to it, and he absolutely loves this thing. Before when we travel, he wants to bring all of his games with him, and then he tries to bring in all of his cases, and I'm like, no, you can't bring all your cases because that's like this thick. You can put all your little games in here, and this is easy. He'll take this when he goes to like grandma and grandpa's house when he stays to their house. But this is a great deal, and for $8.99, you can't go wrong with this. I think I said it was $8.99, didn't I? I saw it, and then I lost it. No, $5.99. $5.99. But he also, I'm also getting him this little bag. This is a little storage bag for him to put all of his little Mario like travel games controllers. It's a little like bag, like kind of like you can put like this, or you can have it like as a crossbody. This is just $9.99, and it's got a little, you know, your little pouch right here. And then, or he doesn't even have to use this for his game. He can use it for however he wants. And then it's got like a little pouch right here, and then it does have like a little zipper. So this is even, you could use this as a purse if you guys really wanted to. But this was just $9.99. So we got that for him if he wants to use that. But he is pretty excited for his little holder. And this is actually a pretty decent quality. And it's a great, great price for that. So there you go. Go upstairs. The next thing I got was this little orb thing. My kids play with this every time they go to their grandparents' house, and I thought I want to get this for them. So this is just $2.99. It's about, you know, maybe half the size of, twice, I don't know, a little bit bigger than my head. But this is something kind of like the kids can play with it and, you know, do whatever they want with it. But I thought that's a great deal for just $2.99. Now my son has seen all this stuff. I wanted to surprise him for Christmas, but it's kind of hard to surprise kids for things already. So I ended up getting this little, it's called Topta. It's a Jenga balancing tree game. This was just $3.99. So basically it's like a little balancing thing where you're going to put the things and have it balance back and forth without having it fall. I thought this would be a great little gift, or great little thing for my kids to play with when we're bored someday. So I'm going to be doing, you know.
Just like when the power goes out, or there's like a storm, like a tornado.
Yeah, well, we're not going to be playing this in a tornado, but this would be a great deal, like when it's raining outside, or when we come where we're from, there's going to be snowstorms. Why not play this cute little game? So this is just $3.99, so I got that. Now, if you guys follow me, my daughter is obsessed
with strawberries.
And my son is obsessed
with watermelon
and sharks.
and Mario.
But I got this little, it's like a Squishimal.
Squishmallow, you mean?
It's like a Squishmallow, but I got this for her. This was just $5.40.
Dang, I was gonna say 99 cents, but
$5.49. It is super, super soft, but she really wanted something like this. It is not the actual name brand. This is not the actual brand name, but it looks exactly like it.
What is the brand name?
Squishmallow. But it's not the actual brand, but I thought this is something cute, and it's really squishy. Doesn't smell like strawberries, but I thought that would be a great thing to get her for that. So why don't you go give that to your sister?
Okay, I will.
The next thing I got is my son. He wanted this little shark, little expandable thing.
Yeah.
This is, I don't even know what this is. This is
a grabber shark thing that you can grab stuff. Let me check it out.
I'm trying to figure out what this one is. This is
baby shark do 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 do.
I think it's, I want to say it is $3.49. So it's a cute little clip. As you see, he kind of just can play with it. One thing I know he'll do is he'll grab food with it and try to put it in his mouth because that's how kids roll. But for $3.49.
Deal. I'm gonna go do that right now. Never mind.
So my son loves wearing these kind of hats. Bucket hats is what he has. He loves wearing bucket hats, and he's really into oceanography. And he saw this fish one, and he's like, Mom, can I get a fish bucket hat? And I think this one's for adults. But we ended up getting this for him. This was just $2.99. $2.99 for a fish bucket hat. I'm like, that's fine. He's gonna start going fishing soon, but these are more of a tropical fish. But I thought you can get this if you want, so can't go wrong with a hat for just, so the price for this is just $4.49. I did say it was wrong, but it is reversible. So if you guys do not want the fishes on the outside, you can actually flip it over and turn it into just a very black hat. So yes, and then you get to see the fish above it. But for $4.49, this is a great hat for my son
and
to wear.
And you can get the girls looking at you.
Oh yeah, you can get the girls looking at you. So he wanted that one, and then he again is really into watermelons lately. So I had to get him a watermelon hat. This one was $2.99, and this one is reversible also. It just turns into a black hat if you guys want to do that. But otherwise you got the regular watermelon hat for him, so he is pretty excited. He loves bucket hats. So
I don't get like 3 now.
Yeah, you got like 3 or 4. So had to get that. The next thing I got was something that's kind of cute. This is a musical
box.
It's a musical box. And this is called an 8-key mini Kalimba high quality. So it comes with like little notes.
A necklace?
It has a necklace with it, I assume, if you want to keep it on the necklace. But then it has a little chain with it. And then here is the little musical thing. What? I thought this would be something for him to kind of just play.
There are even songs in the instructions.
Charlotte's singing in the background. So there's little numbers on here that says 1, 6, 4, 2, 1.
I try one of these.
So we got,
guys, there's different.
So they got row, row, row your boat. So
row.
It goes. Okay, I'm not gonna play. You go play this, and that is basically, that is just $1.49. That's a cute little gift for $1.49. So we got that. I ended up getting my son a little shark puppet.
Baby shark.
This is not a shark, but I ended up getting him a little shark puppet because maybe he'll.
Why did you say it's not a shark?
It's not baby shark, but this was $3.99. So, yes, shark, 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 shark. Then I ended up getting my daughter a strawberry umbrella. She really wanted an umbrella.
Even though she doesn't need one.
This was $10.49. It actually feels like it's a great quality. The outer lid came out of it, but it is the look of a strawberry. Okay, so I got the umbrella out. There is no button to push really. You just gotta kind of yank it out, but it's inside out right now, but we'll fix it. It's just bent. That's what happens when stuff gets shipped to you. But it is a cute little strawberry umbrella for my daughter to use when she's out in the sun or out in the wind, the rain I meant. But it does bend up like that, and then it's an easy thing to put away, and then you got your outer shell. So that was just $10.49. And then I have one more item to share with you guys that I'm getting my kids. My son, again, is really into sharks, so I thought I'd get him this little shark bookmark. This was $5.49. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but it looks really cool. It looks like it's a decent quality. It's got a rubber head, but you're just gonna put it in between like two books. I have a little notebook right here that I got. So you're just gonna kind of just put it in between a book for your bookmark. And there you go. You got a shark head bookmark. And he thought, Mom, that's like the coolest thing. And I'm like, okay, well, I will get that for you for a little gift. So this will be kind of something for him if he wants something like that. So that is everything that I got for my kids for little like gifts and everything like that. Pretty excited for everything that I shared with you guys. I thought I got more stuff, but I apparently did not. But yeah, that's all I got, but I'm pretty excited to share with you guys my Temu haul. Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love it when I can share with you guys organizational videos and stuff that I can get my kids and gifts ideas. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy this stuff, and check out the Temu app to check out some awesome deals. I will have links for everything that I get below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks. Bye-bye.